we're back out again at another abandoned resort. I'm going to start here. There's 3 huge trees that I think pretty old. Might be worth starting out at. Let you know how I do. Alright, so first signal I found was like the handle to like some sort of zinc utensil. And I got a nickel sound right here, and I just got a 1940 nickel, so not too bad to start off with. I'm gonna keep gritting around here, see what I can find. All right, got 1147 signal here. I'm gonna do this one live, see what it is. It's in here. Oh yeah, I see silver. It's a Washington. Sweet. See what year it is. $1960. Sweet. $1960 Washington quarter. First of many, I hope. Okay, I'm off the beaten path a little bit, and I think I found an old road. That stone wall there with really old trees lining it right here. I see some rocks over there. I'm gonna check this tree out right here. Somebody had to have hung out here a long time ago. I gotta find what they dropped. I'll let you know what I find. Stay tuned. All right, real slamming hit here. Some sort of escutcheon plate. Don't know how old it is. Still kind of neat. Okay, I guess I found the other half of it. Found this over here, and I found the first one over here and this one right here. Don't know what it's for. Well, I found out what it was. I found a whole one. It's actually part of a hinge. It's pretty cool. So number 16, whatever that means. All right, I basically hiked like a quarter of a mile up in the woods that way where I found those hinges and worked my way that way. There's an old cellar hole here. This is new tennis courts, but this is an older area. And I just found an Indian head. It's too gunked up right now to get a date though. It's definitely an Indian head. And I'm gonna have to clean it when I get home. I can't get the crud off. I definitely see the 1 cent and the wreath. Let you know what it is when I get back home. All right, just got like a 1224 signal, and I think I got something pretty cool here. Looks like it's a lead figure. That's so cool. I don't know what it is. Can't tell if that's a rifle. It's probably a rifle there. It's all cut off and the head is broken. It could be an Indian. It could have been a headdress right there. But really cool. I love finding lead figures. Excellent. All right, and another spot here, a manor house. It's getting renovated right now, so we have permission to be here. I don't know if anybody's come here or if anything was found, but I'm going to give it a go and let you know how I do. All right, I'm not certain what this is. I think it's lead. It's painted. I'm not sure what it would be to, but maybe some sort of lead toy. It's got designs on it. Clean it up, see if I can figure out what it is. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, there it is. I got a button. Alright, next target up. I have it in the clod right here. Looks like it might be a small cuff button. I'm going to break it open for you. I don't know what it is. Wow. It's a piece of brass. No idea what that is. Thought it was a button. Might have been some sort of pin or part of some sort of jewelry, I don't know. I'll clean it off and let you know what I find out. Alright, I rechecked the hole and now that item makes more sense to me because here's the rest of it and it's actually part of a cuff link. There it is. I don't think I broke it off. It was separated a while ago. This is probably what I was detecting. That's cool. Looks like gold plated cuff link. No design, but I still see some of the gold gild left on it. Fantastic. It's been pouring all day, so I'm muddy and wet, but I'm going to keep at it. Alright, just got a mid-tone range. And got a nickel out of the hole, and the way it's shining, I think this may be a war nickel. Yep, there's a P on the back. Very cool, 1943 P. War nickel. Awesome. Alright, got the war nickel right here, and I got another target here. And I think I know what this is. It looks like a thimble. I think it's just aluminum though. Yeah, it's an aluminum thimble. Very small though. Pretty sure it's not silver. No, it's aluminum. It's got a yellowish tinge to it that aluminum usually gets underground. There you go. I'll clean it up, get you a good picture of it. Awesome. I had to like kick these branches out of the way just to get to it. Alright, got another signal here. Big iron thing here is kind of like Reading good, but also squelching like a screw cap. But I have it right here, and I'm pretty sure it's one of those wire silver rings with a lover's knot in it. It's gonna clean up just like silver, I'm sure. Huh, yep, silver ring. So let's see here. War nickel, thimble, silver ring. Excellent, take a look at that. All right, I'm gonna keep gridding here, see what I can find. All right, so I just found a signal, and it's a surface find. And I did a double take because I had to go back into my little thing here and see if I still had my silver war nickel in there, which I do. But I think somebody found a silver war nickel at some point and dropped it. Or maybe just thought it was a nickel, but this is another war nickel. P. Oops, I just dropped a token. It's another 1943 P. But I'm going to put that right next to the other one I found. It's kind of interesting. Feel kind of bad, but what can you do? So a surface find war nickel. I'll take it. All right, just got this. I have no idea what it is. It's leather right here. And some piece of brass that's silver plated. Foot ease. It's like an old foot insert, leather with like brass. Wow, never seen anything like that. Foot ease. Well, I'll have to look that up and see how old it is. But it's kind of neat. All right, got a nice mid-tone range here, and I pulled it out, and it's the end of a spoon, but I think somebody might have been trying to make it into a spoon ring, because it looks like it was cut right here on purpose. But I don't think it's silver, so I've been rubbing on it pretty well just to get it to shine up. It has initials there, PS or DS. I can't read it, but it's kind of cool. I think somebody started to make a spoon ring out of it, but I don't know too many fingers that would fit on. But hey, I'll take it. All right, got another mid-tone range. I'm just working my way back to my car now. Gonna get ready to go in like 10 minutes or so, and I think, based on the way it looks, I might have got my third war nickel. Yeah, it's definitely a war nickel, all right. P. Wow, it's super worn too. Look at how worn that is. $1943P. That's the third 43P I've gotten. Another guy was detecting here. He found another one. So that's 4 that were found today in the last 2 hours. So that's cool. Silver, silver. I'll take it.